Listen, Chidi, it is not proper for a man to leave his house and be running after a woman. You can't live your life and come here every day all in the name of trying to marry a woman. Help no maka.
This Ebere of a girl is not the only beautiful girl in this Akama village we can lay our hands on.
Ebere is the one I want, and she wants me to.
What is with all this stress? Marry, marry, marry. Marry today, marry tomorrow. Am I the only young girl that is not married in this village?
No man has ever come to ask for my hand in marriage. Unlike you've already had 10 suitors.
The kind of beauty you have in your house, that is why all men, both inside and outside this Akama village, even spirits, are dragging to get married to her because she's too beautiful.
What plans do you have for me? I'm tired of chasing you. I'm tired of telling you I love you.
Leave my son alone if you're not ready to marry him. Happy Aka! Since all the men in this Akama kingdom have tried their best to get married to you, you rejected them all. That is why I said, let me try my best.
Each time I think about him, you know, I have this feeling, good feeling actually. Nice memories and all that, but just in a snap, real quick, something just strikes it away.
You have reduced yourself to nothing. Why are you running after a woman who has not made up her mind for marriage?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.